Hello everyone, this is Govinda and you are welcome in the online platform of TAPS. Just pay attention what a interesting topic I have just brought for you all, and the topic is whole number from NCERT chapter 2 and for class 6. So just pay attention what we are going to discuss. Already one video I have just made for this second number chapter, and that was introduction video, and in that video I have just discussed what are the topics which we have to just cover in this chapter. So the first topic was predecessor and successor. Actually this topic is very just well known for us because we have been reading it since class 2 so we have read out in class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, and then we reached to class 6. So predecessor and successor, about a brief introduction I will just tell you. If you have to write a predecessor of any number, just pay attention, if you have to write a predecessor of any number, then you have to subtract 1 from that number. Not understood? Suppose you have to write a predecessor of P for predecessor of 8. So what to do? We'll subtract 1 from 8. So 8 minus 1, what it will be? 7. If you have to write the predecessor of 100, then how to write? 100 and minus 1, that will be what? 99. So 99 will be the predecessor of that number. Now just come to successor. Successor, just opposite of this. If you have to find the successor of any number, you have to add 1 in that number. Not understood? Through example you just see. Suppose we have to find the successor S for successor of 10, then we will add 10 plus 1 and it will become 11. 11 will be the successor of this 10. If you have to find successor of 999, so what to do? We have to just add 1 in that number and then it will become what? 1000. So 1000 is the successor of 999. Why I'm discussing this topic here, you must be thinking the special thing I have to discuss, that is very important point. It's written here, you must be getting this. 1 has no predecessor. 1 is the number which is having no predecessor. This is only only one number in this world. 1, just 1 is a number that is having no predecessor. Whether you take as a natural number, if 1 you take as a natural number, then there is no predecessor of 1. Just if you take 1 as a whole number also, there is no predecessor of 1. Why? Because you must be thinking, sir, if you subtract 1 from 1, then 0 will come and 0 can be said as a predecessor. But predecessor of any number can be taken if it is just comes in the counting, but 0 does not come in counting. We start counting from 1. 0 is not in the list of counting, so that is why 0 is not a predecessor of any number. And so especially this important point you have to keep in your mind always. 1 has no predecessor. It is randomly it is being asked in the examination, so you must pay attention. So now this topic predecessor and successor, it is I think it is finished. Now the second topic I have to discuss in this video only, that is natural number and whole number. So first I will discuss natural number. First let us have a look what definition I have written for this. All counting numbers are called natural number. You think over it. If I will tell you to start counting, obviously you will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. If I will ask to any other student to just start counting, he will or she will also start by 1 only. Nobody can start from 0. Is it? There, anybody can start 0? No. So if I just tell you to start counting, everybody will start from 1 only. So the counting number starts from 1 and the counting numbers are called only the natural number. So all counting numbers are called natural number. For example, if you see, then it is written, you must be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. It will be going on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, like that it will be going on. So this is called natural number. If you talk about the smallest natural number, then smallest natural number, how to find? You see, the counting number starts from 1 and that is the first natural number, 1. So 1 will be the smallest natural number. If you talk about the greatest natural number, it is infinite because there is no limit of the greatest number. If you say 1 lakh is the greatest natural number, I will tell you 1 lakh 1. Then what to do? So it is like that. We cannot find the greatest natural number. Now let us have just look for just whole number. What is whole number? So let me read first definition for whole number. all natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. Means what? All natural numbers, and in that family if you include 0 also, you must be getting 0 was not included here. But in this all natural number family, if you take 0 as well as with the natural number family, then the combination of 0 as well as natural number is called whole number. So you must be getting the example, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what to just see, do you see from 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 like that so on, it is what? Natural number family, and in this natural number family 1 0 I have just included, so it becomes what? 0, 1, 2 like that now. So this is an example of what? Whole number. If you talk about the smallest whole number, now you see the whole number list is started from 0, so 0 will be the smallest whole number. And in the same manner, if you talk about the greatest whole number, the greatest whole number is infinite. There is no limit of the greatest whole number. So these are the definitions which I have discussed for natural number and whole number. One two important question I must tell you, it can be asked in examination, are all natural numbers also whole numbers? Yes, all natural numbers are whole numbers, because natural number is started from 1 to just infinite. So in whole number family it is 0 to infinite. So obviously 1 to infinite will come in between. Whole number is having extra one number, that is 0. So my question was what? All natural number belongs to whole number family? Yes, all natural numbers are whole numbers. These questions can be just asked in the opposite way also. All whole numbers are natural numbers? What do you think? All whole numbers are natural numbers? No, except 0 all whole numbers are natural numbers, because except 0 1 to infinite, and 1 to infinite whole number is also, and 1 to infinite natural number also. So except 0 all whole numbers are natural number. But if you talk about all whole numbers are natural, then it is not. All whole numbers are not a natural number. So this can be also asked. So these were the two important points which were just related to this whole number and natural number. So I discussed, and this is the second video of chapters. I think you must have understood, you must have enjoyed a lot. So you just wait for the next video. It will be uploaded very soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.